Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Vikas Saraj. I am currently doing my engineering in SVC College. Today's topic is about the features of Python from the subject Introduction to Python. Python features. Introduction to Python features. Python is a high-level programming language that emphasizes readability and simplicity. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python's design philosophy focuses on code readability, making it easier to write and understand. Dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, meaning variable types are determined at runtime. This allows for flexible and easy development, as variables can change type during execution. Dynamic typing also enables rapid prototyping and simplifies the development process. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, meaning it does not require compilation before execution. This allows for faster development and testing cycles compared to compiled languages. Python's interpreter executes code line by line, making it easy to debug and understand program flow. Extensive standard library. Python comes with a large and comprehensive standard library, providing ready-to-use modules and tools. The standard library includes modules for file I/O, networking, web development, database access, and more. This vast collection of modules saves development time and effort, making Python a powerful language for various applications. Cross-platform compatibility. Python is a cross-platform language, meaning it runs on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This feature also developers to write code once and run it on different platforms without modifications. Python's cross-platform compatibility makes it an ideal choice for building platform-independent applications. Easy integration with other languages. Python can be easily integrated with other programming languages like C, C++, and Java. This feature also developers to leverage existing code bases and libraries written in other languages. Python integration capabilities make it a suitable language for software engineering and scientific computing. Large and active community. Python has a large and active community of developers worldwide. The community provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and forums for support and collaboration. This vibrant community contributes to the continuous growth and improvement of Python. Exception handling. Python has built-in support for exception handling, allowing developers to handle and recover from runtime errors gracefully. This feature helps in writing robust and reliable code, improving the overall quality of software. Python's exception handling mechanism promotes error detection and handling, leading to more maintainable code. Easy to learn syntax. Python's syntax is designed to be simple and easily readable, making it beginner friendly. The use of indentation instead of braces enhances code readability and enforces code programming practices. Python's straightforward syntax reduces the learning curve for new programmers, enabling faster development. Rich ecosystem of third-party libraries. Python has a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks available for various purposes. These libraries provide additional functionality and extend Python's capabilities in areas such as data science, web development, machine learning, and more. The availability of a rich library ecosystem enhances productivity and allows developers to leverage existing solutions. Scalability and performance. Python's performance has significantly improved over the years thanks to various optimization and advancement. With the use of tools like Python and Numba, Python performance can be boosted even further. Python's scalability and performance make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from small scripts to large-scale systems. Comprehensive documentation. Python has comprehensive and well-maintained documentation providing detailed explanations and examples for every aspect of language. The official Python documentation is easily accessible and serves as a valuable resource for developers. Python's extensive documentation ensures that developers can easily find answers to their questions and learn new concepts. Summary. Pythons offer a wide range of features that make it a popular and versatile programming language. For dynamic typing to easy integration with other languages, Python provides flexibility and ease of use. With its extensive standard library, cross-platform compatibility, and active community, Python is an excellent language choice for various applications. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.